I feel you in these walls. You're a cold that creeping in, chilling to my bones and skin. I heard you tell the hall, but it's vacant and I'm looking in. Oh, who let you in? You walk around like you own the place, but you never say anything. I caught you walking straight through my walls, 'cause it was all my fault. I think I let you in.
Look, you said I never wrote a song for you, so I hope this one is haunting you. You said even if it took forever, that me and you would be together. And I never thought that you would lie, so I admit I took advantage of your precious time. I admit I took advantage of you every night that I was on the road. Even at home I wouldn't do you right, I'll admit it. But don't think for a minute I'ma let you convince me that what we started is finished, or for a second that I wouldn't take a bullet to the head for you. Paint the bottom of my floor red for you, kissed by an angel, touched by the devil, blood from a nose red as a rose petal. I think we're caught up in a power trip. She my Kate Moss, I'm her Johnny Depp. Life of a fast life in the fast lane. Lights in the cab, nice drinking champagne. Ice make it last, ice for the back pain. With the knife on the dash pipe in the ashtray. And we fuck with the lights on, bring a lampshade. Did it twice in the room, once in the matinee. Hide all the fresh wounds like a band-aid. With the stripes on the black suit for the campaign. What a damn shame. King of the underworld, what a damn name. 'Cause he killed all the other girls in the damn frame for a queen that he never realized had fangs. Damn, do you feel what I'm saying? Take a knife in the back, wanna feel my pain. Make a slice in the wrist to reveal those veins. I can see your face, man, I feel insane. Such a mess when I'm in your